Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get a Chinese display name in Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. We just need to know a few things. So log into Roblox, click on the gear icon in the top right, and then go into Settings. Now if you want to get a Chinese name, the first thing that you have to do is you have to set your birth date to over 18. So currently it's 2024, so you need to be over 18. Just set this to the year 2000 or anything below it, and you will be good to go. If it still doesn't work for you, you have to change your account location to the United States. But for me, it works with this country as well. So right here I have my display name, and I'm just going to go into Google and search for Chinese letters. And I'm just going to copy these letters here. Now if you want to change your display name, we will click on the pencil icon. And I'll just paste these Chinese letters. And as you can see, I don't get any error here. And I can just click on Save. And this is going to update my name. So that's basically how you can get a Chinese display name in Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.